Thank you very much for visiting my channel. I'm going to show you what I do in my garden. Okay, this is my long bed. It's about 12 feet long. All the bed has some liners, plastic liners on the bottom. When the water comes, goes to the bottom and goes to my reservoir. Okay, there is no waste of water. All the water goes back, and with my pump it back. Or if I put some water, I can put the water through this pipe and waters the whole entire bed. This whole pipe has holes in the. You can see the back. The PVC pipe has holes all over, and it's going to put water everywhere. That is water from the faucet. When the water comes through this pipe here, comes from my fish tank. That water is full of nutrients for my plant. Comes underneath and goes back to my system. This is a timer I use for my water pump. It's like a $10–15 timer. Nothing fancy, but works perfect for me. 2 times a day. This raised bed is about 3 feet above the ground. Okay, it's very easy for me just to pull the weeds and just to put. You don't have to throw them away. You just have to put them on the back on the dirt. They will decompose, okay, and become soil, good soil for your plants. Okay, you see, that's what I do. When the water is too much water, goes right here, okay, and goes back to my water reservoir. Also, I can look at my tomato plants. You can see, okay, and as I said, the weed, just pull them up, and to let them to decompose, to be part of the ground. Okay, look at my cilantro, look at my tomato plant, and this bed is about 2 feet above the ground. My other tomato plant, this is a weed. I don't know what weed it is this, but look how beautiful it looks like. Okay. To water my system, there is a water pump that puts water on the roots of my plants. Okay, it comes on at 9 o'clock at night and it stops at 9:15, and then comes on again at 5 o'clock in the morning and it stops at 5:15. And I will show you where the water is coming back. My water is here, dogweed, okay, and you can see the water coming back. So the water is circulating. Take the water from here, goes to the bed and comes back. So there is not a waste of water, not a waste of nutrients. All the nutrients stay in the water. Please ask me any questions or make any comments. To me, it's a good idea. Okay? Thank you very much. And please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.